Good evening students. I will continue with exercise 2.5. Now we will see sum number 11. What does the sum number 11 says? Let us see. It is given an aeroplane. An aeroplane leaves an airport. Leaves an airport. And flies due north. So it is flying in the north direction at a speed of 1,000 kilometer per hour. So this is the speed of the first aeroplane. So aeroplane flies at a speed of 1,000 km per hour and it is flying in the north direction. Then what is given at the same time? At the same time. What is given at the same time? At the same time, another aeroplane. Another aeroplane. What it is doing? Another aeroplane leaves the same airport. Leaves the same airport. So it is leaving the same airport. Flies due west. So it is flying in which direction? West direction. At a speed of, so what is speed of the aeroplane is given? 1,200 kilometer per hour. And what is the question asked? How far apart will be two aeroplanes after 1.5 hours. So what is given here? It is the aeroplane is there. One aeroplane is leaving the airport and it is flying towards the north direction and its speed is given 1,000 km per hour. And at the same time, from the same airport, another aeroplane leaves and it is flying due west and its speed is 1,200 km per hour. What is the question asked? How much far apart will be two aeroplanes after 1.5 hours? So after 1.5 hours, what will be the distance between the first aeroplane and the second aeroplane? So I am going to divide this into 3 parts. First I am going to do the diagram. In first part I am going to find out what is the distance of the aeroplane 1. In second part I am going to find out what is the distance of the aeroplane 2. And in the third part, using the Pythagoras Theorem, we are going to find out what is the distance between the first aeroplane and the second aeroplane. Now I will draw the diagram. This is showing the direction. So we have to draw a diagram which shows the directions. Very important. So the direction. Then so this is what a symbol which is generally used in geography to show the direction. This is called as the north direction, this is called as the south direction, this is called as the west direction, and this is called as the east direction. First aeroplane is flying in which direction? North direction. So let us take that this is the airport. So from the airport, plane is leaving and it is flying to the north direction. So let us take A is the airport. from where the plane is leaving and it is flying towards the north direction with a speed of 1000 km per hour, and after 1.5 hours, let us say that it reaches point B. So AB is the distance travelled by aeroplane 1. Then at the same time, from the same airport A, another aeroplane is flying. Which direction it is? It flies towards the west direction. And after 1.5 hours, say that it reaches at a point C. So after 1.5 hours, plane from airport A, first plane reaches point B and second plane reaches point C. So AB is the distance travelled by first plane and AC is the distance travelled by second plane. Now what he says, what is the distance between these two planes after 1.5 hours? Means what we have to do? We have to join BC. So BC is the distance between the two aeroplanes after 1.5 hours. So first I am going to find out for aeroplane 1 the distance AB. AB is the distance for aeroplane 1. So what is the distance travelled by first aeroplane? So that here I am going to find it out. So AB is the distance travelled by aeroplane 1. So what is the formula? You have already studied in 7th and 8th standard. Speed is equal to distance by time. Then distance will be equal to speed into time. So I am going to find out AB is the distance. So directly I will take AB is equal to distance into AB is equal to speed into time. So what is speed given over here? 100 km per hour. And what is the time given over here? 1.5 hours. So I will take 1000 into 1.5. 1.5 is a mixed fraction. So we cannot take the mixed fraction. We have to convert it into fraction. So we will get it as 1000 into 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we can cancel over here. It will become 500. 2 5s are 10 0. So we got it as 1500 kilometer is the distance travelled by AB, by aeroplane 1, that is AB. So this we got it as 1500 kilometer. Now for aeroplane 2. Aeroplane 2. So what is for aeroplane 2? AC is the distance travelled by aeroplane 2. So AC is the distance travelled by aeroplane 2. So how to find out the same distance? Same formula. Okay, distance is equal to speed into time. So what will I write it down? AC is equal to S into T. So what is the speed given over here? 1200 km per hour. So AC is equal to 1200 into time. Already I have converted in what to call it as improper fraction. So I write it down as 3 by 2. Same time. 2 ones are 2 6 are 600. 600 into 3 is equal to 1800 kilometer. So I got the distance travelled, how much it is? 1800 kilometer. Now I have to find out BC. What is the BC? Distance between the aeroplane 1 and aeroplane 2. So I am going to find out distance between aeroplane 1 and aeroplane 2 is equal to BC. So BC I have to find out. Now the directions, that is the north and south direction, west and east direction, are always perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular means what? They will make 90-degree angle. So to take Pythagoras theorem, I need 90-degree angle. So I can take that in triangle BAC, angle A is equal to how much it is? 90-degree. So I can take in triangle BAC, angle BAC is equal to 90-degree. So now I can take the Pythagoras theorem. So which is the hypotenuse? BC. So square of the hypotenuse, BC square. So BC square is equal to, which are the two sides? AB and AC. Square of AB is AB square plus square of AC is AC square. Now I will substitute the values. What is the value of AB? 1500. So BC square is equal to 1500 whole square plus AC square is equal to 1800 whole square. So what will be BC square is equal to? BC square is equal to 1500, means 15 square, that is 15 into 100. 15 square is 225. 100 square is 100 square is 10,000. So how many zeros I have to add? 4 zeros. So 225, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So it became how much? Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000. Okay, unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So it became 22 lakhs 50,000. Second one also we will do the same thing. 18 square. 18 square is 324. 100 square is 10,000. Means how many zeros I have to add? 4 zeros. So it became 32 lakhs 40,000. Now what I have to do? I have to add these two. So what I will get? BC square is equal to, so 0 plus 0 is 0, 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 5 plus 4 is 9, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 2 is 5. So here I got 54 lakhs 90,000. Now I have to find out what is BC is equal to. So BC is equal to nothing but it is the square root of 54 lakhs 90,000. I can write this as in this way. 549 into 10,000. What is 549? That I will show you over here. How to find out the square root of 549. So how to find out the square root of 549? So 549 is lying between. So 549 is lying between 23 square and 24 square. What is 23 square? 529. What is 24 square? 576. So it is lying between 23 square and 24 square. So difference between these two, 549 and 29 is 20. Difference between 576 and 549 is 27. So this difference is more. That means 549 is nearer to 529. Means if I take 23.5 as the midpoint for 23 and 24. So your 549 lies between 23 and 23.5. 23.5 square is more than 549. It is 552. So 23.5 you can't take. But you can take 23.4 square. 23.4 square is, it is less than 549, that is 547.5. So 547.5 is nearer to 549. So you can say that 549 square root is 23.5. So this I did for explanation purpose. So we came to now to find out the square root. So now what we will take? Is it? So BC is equal to square root of 23.4 the whole square into 10,000 is nothing but it is 100 the whole square. So what shall I get now? This is also square, this is also square. So I can write it down under one square only. So 23.4 into 100 the whole square. So square and square root will cancel. So I will get BC is equal to 23.4 into 100. So it will be equal to 23400. One place of decimal. So here it came. So BC, how much you got it as? 2340 kilometer. That is the distance between the two aeroplanes after how many hours? 1.5 hours. So this is your answer. So you came to know how to do it. So once again I will explain you. So this is the second explanation. Here what is given? An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north. So what is happening? Let us take A is an airport. From airport A, one aeroplane is flying due north. So this is the direction of the first aeroplane. So what is the first aeroplane flying toward due north? And after 1.5 hours, it reaches point B. So AB is the distance travelled by first aeroplane. At the same time, from the same airport A, one more aeroplane is flying. It flies due west. So this is the west direction. So, and it is flying, and after 1.5 hours, it reaches point C. So AC is the distance travelled by aeroplane 2. And what he asked that, what is the distance between the first aeroplane and second aeroplane after 1.5 hours? That is BC is asked. And here he has given the speed of the first aeroplane and the speed of the second aeroplane, and the time taken is same. So we have to find out what is the distance of AB and what is the distance of AC. For aeroplane 1, AB is the distance travelled. So what is distance travelled? Speed is equal to distance by time. The distance travelled is equal to speed into time. So AB is the distance travelled. So AB is equal to speed into time. Speed is given how much? 1000. So we wrote 1000. And time is given how much? 1.5. 1.5 is a mixed fraction. So we converted into improper. We got 3/2. 2 and 1000 can be cancelled. It became 500. 500 into 3 is 1500 kilometer. So AB we got it as 1500 kilometer. Similarly, we will find out what is AC. AC is what? The distance travelled by aeroplane 2. So what is AC? Same formula. Speed into time. How much is the speed given for the second aeroplane? 1200 km per hour. So 1200 km into. I have already converted 1.5 in the improper fraction. The same I will take 3/2. 1202 can be cancelled. 600. 600 into 3 is equal to 1800 km. 1800 km. The directions are always perpendicular to each other. So it is making 90 degrees. So you can see that BAC is a right angle triangle and angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. So you got BAC is equal to 90 degree means you can use the Pythagoras theorem. So which is the hypotenuse BC? So BC square. So BC square is equal to, which are the two sides? AB and AC. So square of AB is AB square plus square of AC is AC square. I will substitute the values of AB and AC. So is equal to 1500 square plus 1800 square. 1500 square is 22,50,000 plus 1800 square is 32,40,000. If I add it, I will get it as 54,90,000. So BC means square I am going to remove. So I will get the square root. So 54,90,000. So I am going to take it as 549 into 10,000. I explained what is 549. It lies between 23 and 24. So 529, 576. So 23 is nearer to 4, that is 23 square is 529. So 549 is nearer to 23 square. So 23 square means 23.5 you will get it as 552. 23.4 you will get it as 547.5. So 547.5 is nearer to 549. So 549 square I am going to take it as 23.4 the whole square plus 10,000 square is 100 square. So both I will write under the same square. So square and square root will cancel. So BC is equal to 23.4 into 100. So it will become how much? 23,400. But one decimal point is there. So I will keep from right hand side one decimal point. So I will get 2,340 kilometers. That is the distance between the two aeroplanes after 1.5 hours. Now we will start with the next problem, that is problem number 13. What is problem number 13 given? Let us see. D and E are points on, D and E are points on sides CA and CD. D and E are the points on side CA and CD respectively. Okay. Then what is given? Respectively of triangle ABC, of triangle ABC, right angled at C. Prove that. What you have to prove that? AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. This is what you have to prove. The diagram is not given. Diagram is not given, so I have to draw the diagram. What is given? ABC is a right angle triangle, and what is right angle at C? Angle C is right angle. So I am going to draw right angle triangle. So which is a right angle triangle? A, then here. So C is the at C. So C is the right angle triangle. So now what will happen? A and B we have to write it down. So A we will write it down here. B. D is the point anywhere, and here E is the point anywhere. So we have to join. We have to join these 2 points, D and E. Okay. Then we have to join these 2 points, D and B. And then we have to join these 2 points, A and E. So this is what given, and this angle is 90 degree. To do this sum, I have divided into 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 parts. Now, what we need is AE square and BD square. AE is over here. So, which triangle will take into consideration? ACE, in which angle C is 90 degree. So, you can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So, what you will get? AE square is equal to AC square plus CE square. So first I am going to take triangle ACE. So, this is triangle 1. So, which is the triangle 1? ACE. So, in triangle ACE, angle ACE is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, using Pythagoras theorem, what you will get? AE square is equal to AC square plus CE square. Let this be as equation number 1. Now we will go to the second triangle. Which is your second? Now what he wants? BD square. So where is a BD? DCB. If you take BD you got. So you are going to take triangle DCB. So that is your triangle 2. So in triangle 2 what you are going to take the triangle? In triangle DCB. Angle DCB is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, apply the Pythagoras theorem. So, which is the hypotenuse? BD. So, BD square is equal to, which are the other two sides? CD and BC. So, you can write it down as CD square plus BC square. This is your equation number 2. Now, what he has given? AE square plus BD square. So, we have to add first equation and second equation. So, what we are going to do? Adding equation 1 and equation 2. So, left hand side is AE square and in first equation, left hand side is BD square in second equation. So, we are going to add that. AE square plus BD square is equal to, what is there in first equation right hand side? AC square plus CE square. So that I will write it down as it is AC square plus CE square. Then second equation, what is on right hand side? That you have to add plus CD square plus BC square. So this is your third equation. Now we will take one more triangle, that is DCE, and one more triangle ACB. So we are going to take 4 triangles. So DCE will be your third triangle and ACB will be your fourth triangle. And all the triangles should be right angle, you have to keep in mind. So we are going to take now triangle number 3. Which is the triangle number 3? In triangle DCE, angle DCE is equal to, angle DCE is equal to 90 degree. If you get DCE is 90 degree, which is the hypotenuse? DE square. So hypotenuse DE. So I will apply the Pythagoras theorem. So DE square is equal to DC square plus CE square, or CD square plus CE square. So CD square plus CE square. So you got, let this be as equation number 4. Now we are going to go to the next triangle ACB, that is a given triangle where angle C is 90 degree. So that is your triangle number 4. So in triangle ACB, angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. So apply your Pythagoras theorem, which is a hypotenuse AB. So you got it as AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square is equal to AC square plus BC square. This is your equation number 5. Okay. Now see your equation number 3. AE square is equal to BD square is equal to AC square plus CE square plus CD square plus BC square. Now look over here. CD square and CE square is there in this equation? Yes. CD square and CE square. So these two if I keep together, I will get it as D square. So I have to arrange this equation. See the fifth equation, AC square plus BC square. Okay, AC square plus BC square is there. If I arrange this AC square plus BC square together, I will get it as AB square. And here what I have to prove? That AB square plus DE square. So I got it, that is. So what I am going to do? I am going to first arrange the equation number 3 and then I am going to substitute the value of 4 and 5 in equation 3. So first I am going to arrange the equation 3. So I am going to arrange it AE square plus BD square is equal to AC square plus BC square. I will arrange together plus CE square plus CD square. I will arrange together. Now what I am going to do is that I am going to substitute the value of equation 2 and equation 5 in equation number 3. So substituting the values of equation 4 and equation 5 in equation 3. So what shall I get it? AE square plus BD square will remain as it is. AC square plus BC square is what? AB square. So I will write it down the value as AB square. CE square plus CD square is what? It is D square. So I will write it down the value as D square. So I proved it that AB square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus D square. So AE square plus BD square. AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. So I have proved the sum. Once again I will explain you. In this sum, the diagram is not given. What it is given? Right angle triangle. ACB is a right angle triangle. D is on AC and E is on CB. So I joined it. Then I joined BD and AE. Now I have to prove this theorem. So I am going to take 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles I am going to take. First I will take triangle number 1, that is ACE, in which angle AC is 90 degree. So I can take the hypotenuse AE square is equal to AC square plus C square, the other two sides. I will take triangle DCB because I want BD square. So BD is in triangle DCB. So the angle DCB is 90 degree, means BD became the hypotenuse. So BD square is equal to CD square plus BC square. So I got it. That is equation number 2. Now what is done? AE square plus BD square I have to get, means I have to add equation 1 and equation 2. Left hand side is AE square, left hand side is BD square. I will add that 2. I got it. AE square plus BD square is equal to. Right hand side, first equation AC square plus CE square is there, plus second equation is CD square plus BC square. So plus CD square plus BC square. That is your equation number 3. Now I will go to the next triangle. Triangle 3 and triangle 4. Which is the triangle 3? DCE. Angle DC is equal to 90 degree. DE is the hypotenuse. So DE square is equal to CD square plus CE square. CD square plus CE square. Let it be as equation number 4. Then I am going to go to the triangle number 4. Which is the triangle number 4? Triangle number 4 is ACB. In triangle ACB, angle ACB is 90 degree. So what you got it as? AB is the hypotenuse. So AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. AC square plus BC square. Now, third equation I am going to arrange it. How I will arrange it? Because here I got AC square and BC square put together, I get an AB square. So here is AC square and here is BC square. So I will arrange it such that AC square plus BC square should come together. So I have kept here AC square plus BC square. See the fourth equation. CD square and CE square are together. So CD square and CE square I have kept together. So what I did, AE square plus BD square is equal to AC square plus BC square I arranged together plus CE square plus CD square I arranged together. Now according to equation 4 and 5, AC square plus BC square we got it as AB square, and CE square plus CD square we got it as D square. In between what sign is there? Plus sign is there. So we are able to prove that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus D square. This is how we have to prove this sum. Now we will go to the problem number 14. Problem number 13 you have to do. Problem number 14. What is the problem number 14 has given? The perpendicular from A on BC. So from A, perpendicular is drawn on BC of a triangle ABC. ABC intersects BC at D such that BD is equal to 3CD. Prove that twice AB square is equal to twice AC square plus BC square. What is the diagram given? Let us see. So ABC is a triangle. Just a triangle is given. Okay. So from A, so this is A, this is C, this is B. From A, AD is drawn perpendicular to BC such that BD is equal to 3CD. This is what the diagram is given. So, what we will do over here, let us see. So, we will take first BD is equal to 3CD. So, what is given? BD is equal to thrice CD is given. Okay. Now, you can see that BC is made up of BD plus CD. You can see the side. So, BC is equal to BD plus CD. But what is BD given? Thrice CD. So, what I can write it down? BC is equal to 3CD plus CD. So, BC is equal to 4CD. So, therefore, CD is equal to BC by 4. So, I got it. CD is equal to BC by 4. Okay. Now, let us find out what is BD. So, let us find out what is BD. So, to find out BD, what we have in terms of BC, what we got it as, we got it that BC is equal to 4. So, what is BD? BD is equal to 3CD is given. So, BD is equal to 3CD. That means BD is equal to CD plus CD plus CD. So, CD plus CD plus CD. What is CD given? BC by 4. So, BD is equal to BC by 4 plus BC by 4 plus BC by 4. So, BD is equal to, what is the common denominator? 4 is the common denominator. So, add the numerator. BC plus BC plus BC. So, what I got it as? BD is equal to 3BC by 4. So, did I get it? So, BD is equal to 3BC by 4. Now, I will take the triangle. So, which are the triangles? ADC and ADB. These two triangles I take because I want AB square and AC square. So, what shall I take it as? In triangle ADC. So, in triangle ADC, angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. So, what you got it as? AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. So, what you got it as? AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. That is, so what we have to do now? We want 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. So, what will be AD square is equal to? So, AD square will be equal to hypotenuse minus CD square. Okay, so let this be as equation 1. Now, let us take the another triangle. Which triangle? In triangle ADB, angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. So, what we will get if ADB? So, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. So, what will be AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. So, this is your equation number 2. Now, compare equation 1 and 2. So we'll get AC square minus CD square is equal to AB square minus AD square. So comparing equation 1 and 2. So what we'll get? AC square minus CD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. Okay. Now, what is CD? You got it as BC by 4. So, in place of CD, I am going to keep it as BC by 4. So, what I got it? AC square minus BC by 4 the whole square is equal to. AB square will remain as it is minus. What is BD? I got it as 3BC by 4 the whole square. So I have to square BC and I have to square 4 also. So what shall I get? AC square minus BC square by 4 square is how much? 16 is equal to AB square minus 3 I have to square and BC I have to square. So it became 9BC square by 4 square is how much? 16. 16 we have to take LCM over here. So if I take 16 as the LCM, so 16 I will write it down. So what happens? Below AC square nothing is there means 1. So we will cross multiply. So AC square into 16 is 16 AC square minus 1 into BC square is BC square is equal to. Same thing over here. Here I will take 16 as LCM. So nothing is there means 1 is there. I will cross multiply. 16 into AB square is 16 AB square minus 9 BC square into 1 is 9 BC square. Now 16 is in the denominator. It is a common denominator and equal sign is there. So 16 gets cancelled. So what we will have? 16 AC square minus BC square is equal to 16 AB square minus 9 BC square. So now what I have to do is that I have to take, what I will take? Minus 9 BC square I will take on left hand side and 16 AC square I will take on right hand side. So minus 9 BC square when it comes on left hand side it will become plus. So 9 BC square minus BC square is equal to 16 AB square. This is plus. So when it comes on right hand side it will become 16 AC square. Space is not there, so I have erased the question and I am going to calculate over here. Continuation of this I am going to write over here. See now what is given over here? 9 BC square minus BC square is equal to 16 AB square minus 16 AC square. 9 BC square, from 9 BC square you have to subtract 1 BC square. So you will get it as 8 BC square is equal to 16 and 16 is there. So I will take out 16 as common. So I will get it as AB square minus AC square. Now what I have to do? 8 I have to bring below. If I take to the right hand side it will come below the right hand side. 16 into AB square minus AC square, it will become the denominator of this. So what shall I get it as? BC square is equal to 16 in the bracket AB square minus AC square whole divided by 8. Cancellation will take place. 8 ones are 8 twos are. So what shall I get it over here? BC square is equal to 2 in the bracket AB square minus AC square. Now I will remove from the bracket. So BC square is equal to 2 into AB square is 2AB square, minus sign will remain as it is. 2 into AC square is 2AC square. Now he has asked BC square plus 2AC square is equal to 2AB square. So minus 2AC square I will bring on left hand side, it will become plus 2ac square. So bc square plus 2ac square is equal to 2ab square. So we have proved our sum. So once again I will explain you what is this sum. In this sum it is given ACB is a triangle in which AD has become the altitude, and it is also given that BD is equal to 3CD. So let us see what we can do. If BD is equal to 3CD, then you can see the diagram BC is BD plus CD. So BC is equal to BD plus CD. BD value is how much? 3CD. So instead of BD I have written as 3CD. So BC is equal to 3CD plus CD. So BC is equal to 4CD. So CD will be equal to BC by 4. Similarly, we have to find out what is the value of BD also in terms of BC. So BD is equal to 3CD. 3CD means what? CD plus CD plus CD. One CD value is BC by 4. So BD is equal to BC by 4 plus BC by 4 plus BC by 4. Then what I will do? Then the denominator, common denominator. So one common denominator, 4, I will write it down. BC plus BC plus BC. I will add the numerator. How many times BC is there? 3 times. So I got BD is equal to 3BC by 4. Now I will go for the triangle. Which triangle? ADC and ADB. So what I got? In triangle ADC, which is right angle, ADC is right angle. So what shall I get? AC is the hypotenuse. So AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. So AD square plus CD square. I will find out what is AD square is equal to. So I told you, sir, one side is equal to hypotenuse square minus other side square. So AD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. Similarly, in triangle ADB also, angle ADB is 90 degree, which is the hypotenuse. AB square is equal, AB is the hypotenuse. So AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Now here also I will find out what is the value of AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. So AD square is equal to AC square minus CD square is equation number 1. AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square is equal to equation number 2. I am going to compare equation 1 and equation 2 on the basis of axiom 1. Things which are equal to same thing are equal to one another. Means the right hand side of AD square will become equal to the right hand side. That is first equation right hand side AD square will become equal to the second equation right hand side AD square. So AC square minus CD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. Now we have the value of CD and we have value of BD. So we are going to substitute that value. So AC square minus BC by 4 the whole square is equal to AB square minus 3BC by 4 the whole square. So what will get it? AC square like that only, minus BC the whole square is BC square, 4 the whole square is 16. So AC square minus BC square by 16 is equal to AB square will remain as it is, minus sign, 3 square is 9, BC square is BC square, divided by 4 square is 16. So here 16 will become the LCM. So if I cross multiply 16 AC square minus BC square divided by 16 is equal to same thing I will get over here. 16 AB square minus 9 BC square by 16. When equal sign, same denominator is there, the denominator gets cancelled. So I can write it down, 16 AC square minus BC square is equal to 16 AB square minus 9 BC square. So minus 9 BC square I will bring on left hand side, it will become plus 9 BC square minus BC square is equal to 16 AC square I will take on right hand side, it will become minus. So 16 AB square minus 16 AC square. From 9 BC square if I subtract 1 BC square I will get it as 8 BC square. Both 16 and 16 is common, so I can take out 16 common, so I got it as 16 in the bracket AB square minus AC square. 8 I am going to take on the right hand side, it will go in the denominator. So BC square is equal to 16 in the bracket AB square minus AC square whole divided by 8. 8 ones are 8 twos are. So I got BC square is equal to 2 in the bracket AB square minus AC square. Now I will remove from the bracket, means 2 I have to multiply with AB square and 2 I have to multiply with AC square. So I will get BC square is equal to 2AB square minus 2AC square. So what he asked that BC square plus 2AC square means minus 2AC square. I will bring on the left hand side. I will get BC square plus 2AC square is equal to 2AB square. So we have proved our sum. Now I will start with sum number 16. What is sum number 16 given? That is C. In an equilateral triangle, very important. Which is important? Equilateral. So in an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square, 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square, 4 times the square of one of its altitude, So this is the sum given. Again see equilateral triangle and altitude. Again I am not going to explain you. In the previous sum I have explained you the properties of what are the properties or what are the of equilateral triangle. So what are according to sides, all the sides are equal. Then according to altitude will become a median. It bisects the base. This is what we have to take over here. So we have to draw, diagram is not given, so we have to draw the diagram. What diagram it is? Equilateral triangle. So I am going to take A, B, C is an equilateral triangle. And I am going to draw an altitude. From A I will draw an altitude to BC such that it divides and bisects and it makes what? 90-degree angle. Okay. Now, what he says to prove 3 times the square of one side. So I am going to take the side as AB and the altitude as AD. So remember, I am going to take one side. So I am going to take one side. Let the side be as AB. So ABC is an equilateral triangle in which AB is the side I am going to take and AD is the altitude. So very important. So I will write it down. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay. What is their property? AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. All the 3 sides are equal. Okay. Which side I am going to consider? I am going to consider AB. And here what it is? Very important thing. AD is the altitude which bisects the side BC at D. So this is very important. So here AB is the side I am going to consider and AD is the altitude. So what you have to prove? 3 times the square of one side. So I am going to consider AB is the one side and AD is the altitude. So what you have to prove? You have to prove that 3 times the square of one side, that is 3AB square is equal to 4 times the square of the altitude, which is the altitude AD, is equal to 4AD square. This is what you have to prove. Now what you have said that AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. AD is the altitude which bisects the side BC at D. Means BD became equal to DC. So what is BD is equal to? So we can show that BD is equal to BC by 2. Okay. BC by 2 means I have told AB is equal to BC means BC I can express in the terms of side AB means it will become equal to AB by 2. So I can take BC by 2 as what? AB by 2. Now I will take the triangle. Which triangle? In triangle ADB. Angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. So AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. So I am going to take that. In triangle ADB, angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. So which is the hypotenuse? AB. So AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. I want to prove that AB square is equal to AD square. So AD square I will separate it out. So what is AD square is equal to? AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. Okay. What is BD value we have written? BD is equal to AB by 2. So I am going to substitute this value. So AD square is equal to AB square minus AB by 2 the whole square. AB by 2 the whole square means what? AB I have to square and 2 I have to square. So I got it. AD square is equal to AB square minus AB square by 4. Nothing is there means 1. So what is the LCM over here? 4 is LCM. So I will cross multiply. So what I got? 4AB square minus 1AB square. From 4AB square, 1AB square is subtracted. How much you will get? AD square is equal to 3AB square by 4. Nothing is there means 1. So what you are going to do? Cross multiply. So if you cross multiply, what you will get? 4AD square is equal to 3AB square. See what we have to prove. Same thing we have to prove. So we have proved it. So once again I will explain you. So here is given equilateral triangle. So ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay, where AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. So we have to take 3 times of the square of one side. So I have taken AB is the one side. And which is the altitude? AD is the altitude. But we know that AD is the altitude which bisects the side BC at A. So if what we have to prove is that thrice the square of the side AB, that is 3AB square, is equal to 4 times the square of the altitude, that is 4AD square. So as AD is the altitude and AD is the median, so D is the midpoint of BC, so BD will be equal to BC by 2. But how I took it is equal to AB by 2? Because AB is equal to BC means in the place of BC I can write it down as AB. So I took it as AB by 2. Now we are going to take the triangle ADB. In triangle ADB, angle ADB is 90 degree. So apply the Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. I want AD square and AB square. So AD square on one side and AB square on the opposite side. So AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. BD value I know. How much is BD value? AB by 2. So I substitute that value AB by 2. So what shall I get? AD square is equal to AB square minus AB square is AB square. 2 square is 4. So LCM is 4. So I will cross multiply. So 4AB square minus 1AB square by 4. From 4AB square, 1AB square will go. It will remain 3AB square by 4. Here also AD square, nothing is there, 1. Again I am going to cross multiply. So 4AD square is equal to 3AB square. That is what we have to prove. So I have completed the exercise 2.5. So triangles part, that is the chapter, is over. So, tomorrow will be your interaction class. You have to be ready with whatever doubts is there in the triangles and whatever doubts is there in the physics. Please write down your doubts in one page and be ready, and I am going to send you the photocopy of the sums of exercise 2.5, and that also photocopy you write it in one page, so that photocopy that is the page in which you have written all the sums of 2.5 exercise should be with you when you sit for interaction class. The timings for the interaction class will be given to you tomorrow. So bye children.